I finally got the police out of my hair. So now, let's get a tank. Okay, there it is, right there. Now let's get it. And we'll start rampaging and killing everybody, just as we did. Phew! That was a triple kill. But not exactly, but
Yeah.
it could be.
Yeah, it's true. You suck at this game.
That's what you get.
We should really get the cops out of here.
That's what they get.
This is Tank Mayhem! Rampage. You're crazy.
Rampage to the city, making out the storm. There's cops around here, baby. Okay, just gotta go backwards so they get squashed.
Oh my God. Blow him up, blow him up. No.
Dang it, I can't reach it!
And this is why you should never go tank to him. Dude, those things blow up.
I know, that's what I'm trying to do here. Okay. That was a close one. Come on! Move! Stupid, come on. Let's go. Go. Okay, now we're in the city.
No, let's go. Let's go somewhere deeper in the city.
Okay, so we can blow up more people.
Yeah.
Oh, I had the chance.